Good morning, everyone. Um, I'm doing my trade recap very early this morning. Um, I have a long day ahead of me. I also own a business, so I have um, a lot of work to do today. So I wanted to show you guys, I'm going to share my screen, a trade that we just took, um, of course, with the futures market. So let me run you through this trade, which was a beautiful scalp trade here. So what we did was, let me see on this screen here. Yes, we took one contract, we sold it short up here close to VWAP, and we were going to take, we were going to use the VWAP as where we took the trade off if it broke through VWAP. So that was going to be our stop. I like taking trades around there, especially when you're in a bullish side of the market right now, which is below VWAP. So let's go back to the bigger chart so you guys can see more clearly. Let me just zoom this out a little bit. So overnight, we hit a low on the S&P 500 futures at 37.65. We recovered a little bit throughout the early morning. This is 3 a.m. Hit VWAP and traded around there, and then started to come back down. And then when it came up here again to test VWAP, I realized that, we're in a bullish zone, right? So anything below VWAP, bearish, bearish zone. Anything below the VWAP line is bearish. So if you're going to take a trade long instead of shorting it like I did down here, you're going to want to take it closer to the bottom band, which is this green line. And even then, it's a little risky because it could keep going even further down. So a lot of times when the overall market is bearish, I don't really like to go long on some of these futures plays until it does what? Breaks through VWAP and actually holds through VWAP. And then you're talking about a market that has now changed over and is more bullish. So anyway, without talking too much more, we sold short right up here using the VWAP as my stop. I set my stop loss right above the VWAP. So all I did was let the trade play out. And then we covered right down here instead of, trying to let it go even further, because we're accuracy traders and we're scalp traders. When I say we, I mean me. And if you guys are watching this, it's a strategy that I highly recommend. Now, you're not always going to get it. My last two videos, I literally hit it at the top and the bottom. That's not always going to happen that way, but it's nice when it does happen that way. So anyway, that's the trade that we put on this morning. Just one little scalp. And like I said, you guys can do this multiple times a day. You can even buy more than one contract. So if you wanted to double what I made, just buy two contracts. You want to triple, buy three, buy four. You can buy as many as you want. This is just it's up to you. Um, so anyway, this is the early morning trade recap. I got a busy day ahead of me. Maybe later there'll be more recaps, but this is what we got so far. Um, so yeah. Anyway, if you guys like it, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, I just started this channel out about a week ago, and we're growing the channel. Video quality is horrible. Yes, I know. It will get better, trust me. I had said once I get to 100 subscribers, and guys, the early subscribers, I love you guys. Awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing. We'll eventually get some better cameras. I'll do more of my full days trading recaps instead of these. But I like to get on here to show you guys how you can take these trades and why I'm taking them and where my entries are, because that's the most important part. Dial in your entries and your exits, and you can be a successful accuracy scalp trader. It's as simple as that. No, it's not really simple, but you guys get the point. All right. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Take care, everyone.